Listen once. Have you tried? X square minus 5 mod x plus 6 equal to 0. How many roots it has? Substituted. X value 2 you substitute. You will get a 0 equal. Mod 2 value 2 no. 2 square 4 minus 5 2 sir. See 2 square minus 5 into modulus 2 plus 6. It is positive no. 2 square 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6 equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. So your answer true. When you are taking minus 2, or substitute minus 2, mod minus 2 value plus 2, 5 2s are 6, again 0 equal to 0 will get. Now you substitute 3, definitely you will get it. 3 you substitute, 3 square minus 5 into mod 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Already in previous class you have done it. X value 3 is a root and x value minus 3 you take it. Mod minus 3 again plus 3 only. So that's why how many roots you got it here? 4 roots. But quadratic equation has 2 roots no, but here you got it 4 roots. How? Definition wrong cheppinattena manam? No. Here it is not a quadratic equation in x. So observe your definition. We discussed in a previous class. That is the quadratic equation in x. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Where a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c are complex numbers. That is a quadratic equation in x. But is it in x? No, here one more function we used. Machine we used. What is it? Modulus. It is a quadratic equation in a mod x, not a x. In mod x it is. So this is a piecewise function. When we are giving x value positives, then mod x value is x. When you are giving x value negatives, mod x gives you minus x. Do you know the definition of modulus x? This is in functions. Modulus x gives you positive x when x greater than 0, negative x when x less than 0. Means modulus x always output you must get it positive. Modulus means what? It is a distance function or absolute function. Definitely ఏమవుతుంది here irrespective its sign it is always positive. Distance అంటే ఏం చెప్తావు? Always we are discussing in positive only no. So that's why here x greater than 0 positive x, x less than 0 minus x. అంటే x minus 2 తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ 2 వస్తుంది కదా. అంటే x నెగిటివ్ అయినప్పుడు ఇంకా మైనస్ సింబల్ ఇస్తే మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ ఆల్వేస్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ పాజిటివ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్. Means the entire value we divided into 2 pieces. One is x greater than 0 piece and another one is x less than piece. In x greater than 0, what is your equation? X square minus plus x, you take it 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X value is negative. Your equation is x square minus 5 into minus x plus 6 equal to 0. That is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now you observe. In fact, these are the 2 quadratic equations. It has 2 roots, it has 2 roots. 2 plus 2 you got it 4. So that's why quadratic equation has exactly 2 roots, no doubt in it. But it is not a quadratic equation in x. It is a quadratic equation in a modulus x. So that's why you got it 4. Sir, my modulus unte always 4 roots vastayi ante no. That is based on problem. So now you take it this question, x square plus 5 mod x plus 6 equal to 0. How many roots it has? Problem is same. In place of minus I have given plus. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని రూట్స్ వస్తాయి చెప్పగలరా నాకు? How many roots you will get it? No roots. Because x square positive, modulus x always positive. Positive plus positive plus positive. Is it possible to get 0? No. So that's why the number of zeros of this equation is 0. And again, x square minus mod x plus 6 equal to 0. How many roots it has? It has 2 roots. Solve it. First ఏం చేస్తారు? In place of modulus x, one time you take it plus one time you take it minus and solve it and you substitute those values. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాక సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే దెన్ ఓన్లీ దట్ ఆర్ ద రూట్స్, అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ ఎ రూట్స్. ఈ పాయింట్ మీరు మైండ్లో పెట్టేసుకోవాలి ఇన్ ఎంటైర్ స్టడీ. ఓకే, వెన్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ యువర్ టాస్క్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఓవర్. You must substitute that values in a given problem, in original problem. If it satisfies, then only that is a root of that equation. Otherwise, it's not a root. So here you will get two roots only. Hit and try, use it. And in next concept, prime factorization methods we will discuss. That time we will discuss. And again, what are the roots of x square plus in fact problem wrong icha, this is a minus x square plus mod x plus 6, you take it minus 6. Here you have two roots, here you have two roots, here you have no roots, here you have four roots. Okay, observe here x square coefficient positive, constant positive, but b is negative. Here all are positive, all are positive unte no roots. Okay, see x square coefficient constant are positive and it is a different sign. ఈ రెండు నెగిటివ్ అయితే ఇది పాజిటివ్, ఈ రెండు పాజిటివ్ అయితే ఇది నెగిటివ్. అలా ఉంటే డెఫినెట్లీ దట్ హ్యాస్ a four roots. Here its product is negative. x square coefficient constant, product negative. See here also product negative, irrespective middle one. This product is negative, definitely will get two roots. Just that is by using common sense. Okay, good. Now what is the root of x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0? Tell me single root. When you are taking 2, x value take it 2, then what will get? 2 square, 4 minus 2 equal to 0. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. Got it? Now when will you say x equal to 2 is 0 of this expression? 0 of this expression అని ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాం? When it is expression. అది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అయితేనే చెప్పగలం. x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 2 ఎక్స్ప్రెషనే కదా. ఓకే, ఇది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కాబట్టి కన్ఫర్మ్గా దీన్ని ఏమంటాం? జీరో అంటాం. ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ కాబట్టి ఏమంటాం? రూట్ అంటాం. వన్ మోర్ పాయింట్స్ యూ మస్ట్ రిమైండ్, దట్ ఈస్ if x equal to 0 of this expression, then plus 2, take it this side, minus 2. X minus 2 is called factor of x square minus x minus 2. If x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus x minus 2, definitely 2 is called 0 of that expression. If x plus 1 is the factor of x square, suppose plus ax plus 3, then x plus 1 is a factor of this expression. Then what is the 0 of this expression, can you say? Definitely x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the 0 of that expression. Okay.